So for you, it's the perfect timing na.
Hindi pa natin alam.
Hindi pa natin alam.
Kahit anong effort i-exert mo, I think hindi ka magiging kayo talaga.
At saka yung effort kasi yun yung lagi nakakalimutan kapag mga longest relationship.
Pag gusto mo yung tao, gagawin mo lahat.
When we say timing, we mean the season. Ready ka ba? Ready ba siya? Is your life direction aligned at that moment? When we say effort naman, we mean the choice. Yung consistency, yung honesty, yung showing up even when it's inconvenient. And the truth is, timing can open the door, but effort is what makes people stay. Pero minsan, kahit gaano ka ka-effort, kung hindi siya ready, ikaw lang rin ang mapapagod.
Sir Jonas, in love, what matters more? Timing or effort?
For me, what matters most is timing. Kasi kahit anong effort mo, if the timing is not right, kahit anong effort i-exert mo, I think hindi ka magiging kayo talaga or hindi mag-work yung relationship na. So for me, I think timing.
Para sa inyo, in love, what matters more? Timing or effort?
For me, timing. Hindi naman every day or every minute mahal natin yung isa't isa eh. Sinasabayan ko kung sakali galit siya. Ta-timing ko yung yung moods ko rin sakali. So yun, para sa akin.
Sa akin, effort. Kasi for how many years, yung effort niya rin ang lagi kong hindi nakakalimutan. So,
Ilang years na po ba kayo, if you don't mind?
8. So, in 8 years, hindi siya nakakalimot sa birthday, Valentine's Day,
Small details.
yes, anniversary. Tapos meron siyang laging surprise every Valentine sa office.
Lapit na ma'am.
Tsaka,
Timing, sakto.
at saka yung effort kasi yun yung lagi nakakalimutan kapag mga longest relationship.
Pag tumagal na.
Yes.
What matters more? Timing or effort?
For me, mas importante yung effort kasi talaga dyan makikita ng yung tao, yung kung gaano mo siya kamahal. Yung timing kasi kailangan mo pa maghintay, but with the effort, walang oras to, no? So, anytime mo talagang pag gusto mo yung tao, gagawin mo lahat. No?
Banat lang ng banat.
Banat lang ng banat. So, wala ka nang hihintayin. There's no time for tomorrow. No?
Para sa inyo po, in love, what matters more? Timing or effort?
For me, or timing.
Bakit sir?
Kasi yung effort kasi pwede natin gawin anytime. Meron nga sinasabi, for example, right doings in a wrong time. Once na ginawa natin yung effort na yon, but sa maling timing or sabihin natin hindi dapat sa panahon na yun, is parang masasayang lang yung effort natin. Kumbaga, need rin natin i-validate or need rin natin i-consider yung timing na dapat ba tayo nag-effort sa ganito, deserve ba talagang pag-effortan yung ganito before tayo gumawa ng ways or ng effort para to execute those things.
Have you experienced it kay ma'am?
Yes, actually yes. Based on experience, tagal ko rin siya niligawan. Umabot rin ng year yet. So, kinonsider ko rin talaga yung timing. Doon ako nag-effort talaga kasi alam kong
Na-ready ka na rin sir?
na-ready rin ako, ganyan na. Ready rin siya, ganyan.
About your parehas kayo ng gustong punta ng direction, ganyan?
Yes, actually yes. Pag gusto namin mag-stable talaga, kino-consider namin na this time need na natin gumawa ng way para mag-stable kami financially or mag-ready kami kung ano man yung future na gusto namin ma-reach. So ayun, talagang kino-consider namin yung time talaga kaysa sa pag-execute ng effort anytime. Yun.
Timing or effort?
For me po, ang nagmamatter po sa love is yung effort na ilalagay mo din sa relationship. Kasi po, sa punto ng buhay mo, sa timing na yun, hindi ganong ka okay para sa'yo. You make it work kasi dahil sa effort na nilalabas mo, it can outweigh the kapangitan ng timing po. Yun lang po yung...
Sir Mark, para sa iyo, in love, what matters more? Timing or effort?
For me, what matters more is more on timing. Because effort is there, you can do those things regardless if you're in relationship or not. Lagi natin sinasabi to eh, we're doing effort para lang makuha natin yung partner natin. But it's more on timing kung kailan ibibigay ni Lord yan. If that will be the timing, nakuha mo yung timing, perfect person, that will be the time na dun mo ibubuhos yung effort. Kasi effort is there. Even your parents, you can do such things Marami. Kaya nga nauso yung broken family kasi doon pumapasok yung hindi pala para sa kanila. So they push there, nag-effort sila. Pero yung timing kasi pinakamahalaga. Pag nakuha mo na yung gusto mo, siya na yung lahat. Kumbaga, dumating na siya, yun, doon yung papasok yung timing talaga. Kapag kasama mo na yung partner mo, you do the effort. Marami ngayon na sobrang effort nila, yung pala hindi para sa kanila. So that's the reality right now. So,
Pinupush lang nila.
tama. So that's the reason why yung effort is there, pero ako more on timing talaga.
Ma'am Julia, for you, in love, what matters more? Timing or effort?
Effort po. Minsan kasi kahit wrong timing, kung nagagawa naman ng effort, tumatagal pa rin siya. Consistency. Kasi nag-meet kami high school. Actually, wrong timing yun.
Okay.
Kasi, syempre, nung time na yun, papagalitan ka pa ng parents mo. Nung time na yun, pag nagsi-cellphone ka pa yung hihiramin mo pa yung cellphone ng nanay mo, tapos huwag ka muna mag-reply. Ganong F.
Kayo po ba, college na kayo?
Engineer na siya.
Graduate na po ng college
Graduate
din.
na,
So for you, it's the perfect timing na.
Hindi pa natin alam. Hindi pa natin sure. Hindi,
That's why
charis.
effort.
Hindi, pero effort. Kasi pag tumatagal, darating na time na, ano ba, worth it po ba to? Pero through consistent effort, ganyan. Ayun.
What matters more? Timing or effort?
For me po, effort. Even though hindi perfect timing yung meet up nyo or yung relationship nyo or even yung tao minsan na-overcome to ng effort kung gaano mo kagusto i-pursue yung relationship.
Consistency ng effort.
Consistency, pati yung actually yung intensity din minsan.
Tinatry ka na, Sir Aaron, na ano yung binibigay mong effort?
Mostly kasi yung effort ko earning yung sarili kong pang-treat sa
Kanya.
significant other.
Para sa'yo, what matters more? Timing or effort?
Actually, it should be both. Especially if you're a man, hindi pwedeng bara-bara lang tayo pumapasok sa relationship kasi we have to be in the right season. We have to have the garden, or should we say work, to provide. Kasi as men, we should really be providers, not just providers but protectors. Are you now able to protect? Are you now able to provide for the person that you love in a relationship? And then bakit both? Kasi effort is also important when you have a relationship. Kung as a man, we have to be protectors, we have to be providers. Ang woman naman, they have to be loved, no? God shows His love to us and gusto ni Lord na ganun din yung ipakita natin as men para sa mga women. Especially when you're loving someone, it takes effort. Loving them for the first few months would be very easy. But what if dumating yung time na matetest na yung relationship? What if there are things na hindi kayo nag-align? And it takes effort to make sure na you stay aligned. Will you stay there? Will you stay in love? No, staying in love is a choice. It's not just feelings. It's a choice. It's a decision you make. It takes effort to be consistent in that love. The way that Jesus, that God loved us, that's also the way that we should love our partners, no? So, for the young men out there, it's very important that you prepare yourself first. Prepare your garden. Huwag kang magmadali. Darating din yung panahon, darating yung pagkakataon. Bibigyan ka ng Panginoon ng taong mamahalin mo. Pero you have to be prepared to put in the effort, not just intensity, but consistently.
May iba nahiya to do the interview, so sinulat na lang nila yung gusto nilang sabihin. Babasahin ko na lang. Yung isa, sabi niya dito, effort kasi it also same with action. It speaks louder than words. I want to see and feel that there's someone who's willing to put effort whenever I'm with them. Yung isa naman, sabi niya, effort cause if you wait for the perfect timing, you will not be able to exert the effort. Yung isa, sabi niya, I think without effort, time just goes by and nothing changes. Wow. Eto medyo mahaba. Sabi niya, both timing is important since it's also something that we should think about before entering a relationship. We can't just say that we should express or show our love because we are infatuated with someone. We need to consider our capabilities as well. Now, as far as effort, once we are in the right season, when we find the one that God has given us, we should do our best to make sure that we show our love for that person intensely and consistently. Coming from a perspective of a man, Then, magbasa tayo ng ilang comment from Facebook. Sabi ni Luigi, you can't predict the timing because God plans the timing. Sabi sa Ecclesiastes 3:11, but your effort must meet His timing. Wow. Yung isa naman, sabi ni Maan, timing. Because when a person is fully ready, effort will be effortless. Timing sets the foundation. Without it, even the most effort can feel forced, pressured, or misaligned. Effort alone can't sustain a relationship if the person is not ready or doesn't have the capacity to be ready. Sabi ni Jessa, love begins with timing, but it survives on effort. So what matters more, timing or effort? Timing is important because it tells you if there's room for love to grow. Effort is important naman because it proves that love is real and it is an action, not just a feeling. But here's the hard truth. You cannot effort your way into someone who isn't ready. And you can use the excuse of waiting for that perfect timing to not make an effort at all. So the question are you chasing a season that keeps postponing you? You keep on hoping na soon, maging perfect ang lahat, pero wala ka namang move, wala kang decision, or siya, naghihintay daw siya ng perfect timing for the both of you. And hindi daw siya makapag-decide until that perfect moment. Or number 2, are you building with someone who's willing? Potential partner ba talaga yan? O ginagawa ka lang niyang waiting room? Dapat you're not just feeling love, but you're both doing the work, the hard work. So comment your answer, timing or effort, and why. See you again, mga cactus.
Ano ba talaga timing o puhunan? Yung sakto na chance o yung araw-araw na tangan? Kung sablay ang oras pero di ka sumusuko, may laban pa ba? O sayang lang tong puso ko? Sabihin mo sa'kin, timing ba o effort habang nandito pa ako sa borderline na to? Baka kailangan pareho, di lang dasal, di lang trabaho. Kasi kung swerte lang, kulang kung sipag lang. Bitin din kung sakto ang araw, tapos naglakas ka rin. Kaya siguro, timing at puhunan, yung tamang minuto, plus yung araw-araw na tangan. Kahit minsan late, basta di ka sumusuko, di masasayang to pag sinabayan ang puso mo. Kaya sa dulo, timing at effort, dun pala tayo lalampas sa borderline na to.